Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website in the description. We're also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. Let's get started. Simply register, then click on a listing package and enter your property information. Choose additional options if needed. Pay online using your credit card. Digitally sign your documents with your mouse and upload your photos. Mr. Lister will create your MLS listing and email you a copy within 24 hours. You are the showing contact for the listing. Agents will call you directly to make an appointment or schedule online with our showing time add-on tool. Emails and inquiries are sent directly to you. List today, reach thousands of buyers tomorrow. Save thousands in realtor fees by using Mr. Lister Realty. We are real estate reimagined.